Hello everyone, welcome to Buyer Advisor, the best product review channel on YouTube. To make this video, our experts reviewed 100 plus products and picked only the best items for you. All products are available on Amazon. Discount lovers can check below in the description for special product links. So let's get started.
Our number one choice is Makita 18 volts brushless cordless grinder. The Makita ZAG 04Z is well worth considering by anyone searching for the most powerful angle grinder that is powered by a cordless motor. Because of the brushless motor and the 18 volt lithium-ion battery, this top-rated angle mill has the highest speed of 8,500 revolutions per minute. It can accommodate 4.5 and 5-inch discs. The ZAG 04Z is a joy to use. Although it does not have a top speed, the auto speed adjuster allows it to maintain its speed even during the most difficult cutting and grinding. The rubber over molded grip and handle provided the least amount of vibration, and the locking on switches proved to be a significant benefit. The two-piece handguard assembly was a little difficult, but it would be great to have an electric battery and charger. Our second best angle grinder is DeWalt 20 volts Max grinder. Its DeWalt 20 volts Max XR brushless cutoff grinder is a cordless angle grinder that is ideal for professionals and do-it-yourselfers who value their tools. The model is cordless and runs on its 20 volt Max XR lineup, and its brushless motor rotates 4.5-inch discs at up to 9,000 RPM. This DeWalt model delivered exactly what I had hoped for: excellent mobility and truly impressive power. It was a breeze to cut and grind without having to worry about cords getting in the way. The handle and grip are made of thick rubber, which reduces fatigue and vibration to an absolute minimum. The presence of safety features on the handle is unquestionably advantageous. The electronically controlled brake brought the disc to a halt in less than 2 seconds. Knowing about the kickback brake gave me confidence. Third pick in our list is Metabo HPT angle grinder. When it comes to DIY projects and spending budgets, everyone has enough money to buy top-of-the-line equipment every time. As a result, those looking to save money while still getting a high-quality grinder should take a look at this model with a Metabo HPT cord. It has 4.5-inch discs and a 6.2 amp motor that can spin at speeds of up to 10,000 revolutions per minute. It is one of the best 4.5-inch angle grinders for the money, and the Metabo HPT's utility was a pleasant surprise. You'll be impressed by how small and light it felt in my hands. The switch to power position is useful, especially when cutting. The lock-on feature allowed me to turn the switch on and off, which was useful in my project. My only complaint is that the Metabo HPT lacks the power of other corded models. Furthermore, the 6.2 amp motor appeared to be a little weak and could overheat even in normal use. Number 4 in our side is Porter Cable Angle Grinder. This Porter Cable product is one of the best corded angle grinders with dependable power. It has a powerful 7.5 amp motor that can turn the 4.5-inch disc at speeds of up to 10,000 revolutions per minute. It has plenty of power and speed for use in workshops. When I was working on my metalworking project, the Porter Cable grinding machine made me feel at ease because it could handle cuts and grinding perfectly. Although it lacks the power of other grinders we've reviewed, it comes close. It's also one of the few grinders with an old-fashioned trigger switch, which I found easier to use and more intuitive than others. The top mount position for the handle attachment was particularly appealing to me because it makes cutting easier to manage. One thing to keep in mind is that the vibration control isn't the best. However, if it can last all day, the user's wrists and hands may become fatigued. Number 5 in our top 5 best angle grinder list is Black & Decker Angle Grinder. If you're looking for the most efficient angle grinder to use for wood cutting, sanding, grout removal, or other tasks that require a light touch, Black & Decker's angle grinder tool could be a good choice. This low-cost model features a 6-amp electric motor capable of producing up to 10,000 RPM and is compatible with 4.5-inch cutting and grinding wheels. This model is marketed by Black & Decker to people who are DIY-oriented and light-duty, and it excels in this category. This low-cost model is simple to use, thanks in part to its trigger lock-on. The 3-position handle mounting system is appropriate for a variety of situations, such as cutting or grinding at odd angles. However, because it is only a 6-amp electric motor, don't expect the Black & Decker to handle large metalworking projects for an extended period of time. For details, let's watch more. Thanks for watching this video. Hope this guide will help you to make your decision easier. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more guide and special tips on your feed.